Hey everyone, welcome to the Autoimmune Dietitian YouTube channel. My name is Annie. I'm a registered dietitian and I work with people struggling with autoimmune diseases. In my work with my clients, I help them use food and lifestyle as a way to improve their symptoms and hopefully give them their energy and their lives back. So, living with suboptimal digestion is a huge challenge. Whether it's bloating, diarrhea, excessive gas, or constipation, digestion can definitely impact your quality of life. So, when it comes to figuring out your digestive issues, many of the symptoms have multiple causes, which makes it really difficult for healthcare providers to recommend just one reliable protocol that works. So, straightening out digestion does take time, but today I'm going to give you an easy roadmap to help you start uncovering your own issues so you can feel better. And before I jump in, I just need to attach a disclaimer to this video that the information in today's talk is not the substitute for the diagnosis, treatment, or care of disease by a medical provider. This is for informational purposes only. So please consult your qualified health professional for any changes that you make to your medical care. All right, so the basic roadmap that many functional dietitians and practitioners use to solve complex digestive issues is known as the 5R method. This method helps restore gut health by using food, lifestyle, and possibly supplements. The 5Rs stand for remove, replace, reinoculate, repair, and rebalance. And I'll walk through each of these steps and what they entail. So the first step to figuring out your gut issues is to remove. You want to remove the things that are potentially causing harm. From a food standpoint, this would include things like refined sugars, processed foods, additives, and chemicals, and basically anything that might be causing inflammation or harm. It could also be foods that you are sensitive or intolerant to, like gluten or dairy. And this is where elimination diets can come in handy, as does food sensitivity testing. But like all health-related issues, the food part is not the only culprit. So remove includes other aspects of your life that can harm your digestive tract. Things like chronic stress, unsupportive relationships, toxic thoughts, and a challenging workplace can all wreak havoc on your gut. So can things like bacteria, infections, fungi, toxins, and heavy metals. So removing all of these things can be a challenge, and the key really here is to figuring out what your exposures are and how you can start lessening or eliminating them from your life. Then you need to replace the things that you removed. So this means adding back nutrient-dense, high-quality food to your diet, incorporating movement throughout your day or gentle, consistent exercise, focusing on optimal sleep and aiming for 7 to 9 hours if possible. Replacing can also represent the digestive support that your body might be lacking. So things like digestive enzymes, digestive bitters to stimulate hormones to produce more saliva and hydrochloric acid, or possibly adding in more acid to help with digestion. The third R is reinoculate. This pertains to the gut microbiome. If you want to rebalance and restore the bacteria in your gut microbiome, because as we all know, the microbiome affects your entire body. So to do this step, it may require adding in some prebiotic and probiotic supplements. Fermented foods are also a great way to inoculate the gut, as are prebiotic-rich foods like asparagus, garlic, onion, leeks, and sunchokes. The fourth R is repair. So this step uses vitamins, minerals, and foods to help repair the gut lining and make it less permeable. So this could include collagen-rich foods like bone broth and antioxidant-rich foods like fruits and vegetables. Omega-3 rich foods are also great for this step, which include things like fatty fish, avocados, and walnuts. And in terms of supplements, L-glutamine and colostrum are my usual go-tos for this, but you could also add in certain vitamins like vitamin A, C, D, zinc, quercetin, demulcents like slippery elm, mallow, and licorice to soothe the digestive tract. Acupuncture also helps with this step as well. Lastly, there's rebalance. So some people also call this the reconnect step, as you start to find your new normal with all of the changes that you've made from above. So rebalance is also the fun step of incorporating things that bring you joy, things that bring you a sense of purpose, or like a community connection. This is also where meditation and Tai Chi or breathing can help. Also, here's where lifestyle things that you removed earlier are now replaced with things like stronger relationships, a healthy work environment, less toxic thoughts. So today we talked about the 5R method, and what's really important to note here is that it doesn't go in order. A lot of times you do all 5 things together. As you notice, a lot of the things in the repair step were also foods that you would add in to the replace step. So they do overlap. You kind of want to do them around the same time. And again, I would work with a qualified health professional who's familiar with this to help you implement this method. So again, today we focused on the 5R method and why and how to do it in order to optimize your digestion. If you would like more help managing your autoimmune disease, your digestive issues, or just reducing inflammation in general, I would love to chat with you. I offer free 15-minute discovery calls to learn about your goals and to see if I am a good fit for you. So you can go to my YouTube profile and there is a link to sign up for that. While you're there, you'll also be linked to my website, which has lots of great free materials there that you can download. I have an extensive blog that you can check out for any topic of your interest. Lastly, if you don't subscribe to my channel, please hit the little subscribe button. I try to put these videos out every week or so. Sometimes I do get a little behind, but I am always trying to give you lots of information to live better and more gracefully with your autoimmune disease. So I hope this was helpful, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.